In continuation of the previous class, now we are going to take the torque experienced by an electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. What do you mean by uniform electric field? Uniform electric field indicates that I have shown here by drawing the lines. Already you will write your final exam in the rule paper. That rules itself can be considered as uniform electric field. There should be equal gap between them. There should be parallel lines. Now in this one, suppose if I place any dipole, what is the torque experienced by it? Therefore, for drawing the dipole, time being I am showing AB is a dipole. I am showing here this is A, this is B, and here minus Q charge is there, here plus Q charge is there, length is 2A. It is placed in the uniform electric field. Then this is negative charge and this side the positive one is there. Therefore, there will be a force acting on this one in this direction. Time being I will call this one as F. And this is plus Q charge. It is going to experience a force in this direction F. These two will be equal and opposite. That is the definition of torque. When two equal and opposite forces are acting, which makes the object to rotate, then we can say it is the torque is experienced by it. In the 11th class we have studied it. The same concept I am going to take. AB is a dipole of length 2A placed in the uniform electric field of strength E, so that it is going to experience a force. That force will be equal and opposite. One is acting in this direction, one is acting in this direction. Then I want to find the torque. Now, with respect to the electric field, how it is going to be oriented means I am just going to show it is making certain angle theta here. So when I am just drawing a line like this way, if I take some O here, OA in this direction, one force is acting, another force is acting. Therefore, the BO becomes the perpendicular distance between the two forces. Why we have to consider the perpendicular distance? We have the torque definition. In the torque definition in the lower classes, either of the force multiply with the perpendicular distance between them. This is the definition we are supposed to write. I am not writing completely here, but you should write either of the force multiply with the perpendicular distance between the two forces. Either of the force means just I will take as F. What is the perpendicular distance? Here in this diagram, BO is the perpendicular distance. BO is the perpendicular distance. Normally the force experienced by it, we have studied a formula. A electric field is equal to force by the test charge. Okay, you have studied this one. Therefore, force is equal to EQ. I am going to take like this. Therefore, E and Q is now this charge is facing. Therefore, EQ into what is the perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance nothing but BO. In this triangle, if I take sin theta from the triangle in triangle AOB, sin theta is equal to opposite side BO by adjacent hypotenuse is AB. BO we want, AB becomes 2A. Cross multiply it, BO becomes, it is 2A sin theta. I am going to substitute this one here. So in this place 2A sin theta. When I am substituting here, Q into 2A you got again here, which is nothing but a dipole moment. Therefore, it will be P E sin theta. When you carefully observe, torque is nothing but P E sin theta, which is a vector product of two vectors. The sin theta component is coming. Therefore, we have studied in the lower classes, that is 11th class, it is a vector product. Again, we are proving that in this case, torque is P E sin theta. Now, sin theta, it is the angle made by the orientation of the dipole with respect to the field. Now, if this angle, if I want to have maximum torque, the angle should be 90 degrees. Because in sine values, sine 90 is highest. Sine 90 everybody knows it is 1. So the theta must be 90 degrees. When theta is equal to 90 degrees, you are going to get tau maximum, torque maximum is equal to P into E sin 90 becomes 1. And that means this should be in this way, perpendicular to the electric field. The dipole should be placed in perpendicular to it. Now, what about the minimum one? Torque becomes 0, or minimum torque or 0 torque you are going to get when theta is equal to 0 degrees. Sin 0 is equal to 0, therefore torque becomes 0 in that case. When theta is equal to 0, torque becomes 0. Sometimes they asked a question when it will become half of the value of maximum. Half, that is you are going to get when the angle between the dipole and the electric field is 30 degrees. Now substitute here tau is equal to P E sin 30. Sin 30 we have studied in the lower classes half. Therefore half of the maximum one you are going to get when the angle is 30. These type of questions you are going to get in this chapter. Now electric field, we are getting so many formulae. Try to write all these formulae in one place. Anyway, I am going to send you one formulae concept once, all formulae, these things at a time to you in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.